Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
Taking a look at this Fendi model, FFM0039GS, in color code 10A7Y. It's a beige gold color frame. On the temples here, we have gold color with a Fendi logo on the side and a white temple tip finish. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple with the Fendi logo here and the white temple tip. The lenses are a gold decor. Has the Fendi F logo all around it. The style of this frame is shield. Up here we have a Fendi case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and authenticity card in the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.